Hey guys, happy day to you. And Easter is coming, and I have a beautiful ideas of Easter wreath for your entrance door, or you can hang it in your rooms and your lounges as well. So if you're ready, already getting excited about the arrival of Easter, then there's no better way to prepare than with some fun Easter themed craft. The best thing about DIY Easter decorations, they don't necessarily have to be taken down once the Easter bunny hops away. Means you can use these crafts the whole year. It's not just about the Easter event. You can use these crafts the whole year and all the time in your house, anywhere. The bright colors, floral patterns, and even strategically placed cotton tail here and there work with the whole spring season aesthetic. From wreaths covered in pastel colors blooms to those speckled with plastic Easter eggs, these homemade spring wreaths will help give your front door a fresh springtime makeover in an instant. And they are very easy to make. You just need few things like wires, plastic eggs, or scissors, or ribbons, and bunny tail fluffy pom poms. And there are a lot of things you can use in these threads to make them easily and instantly. You can also opt to hang one of these adorable DIY wreaths inside your home. Though if you put them on your door, then the whole neighborhood will be able to appreciate your expert springtime craftsmanship. Whatever your decorate style or mood, there's a DIY Easter wreath just waiting to have a home on your door, and it's sure to brighten your mood for months to come. Easter wreaths are very colorful, and you can make them with just not plastic eggs or something like that. You can make them with different colors related to Easter, or you can use different kind of characters to install in this wreath. And secondly, these kind of wreaths can be a good gift if you want to give it to someone, to your loved ones also. So try these ideas, and I hope so you like this video. If you like it, subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.